Pakistan is under attack all over again. Audacious brazen strikes in 3 separate places in Lahore in a matter of just 60 minutes in the city of Lahore, which is under siege. This is a developing story as the attacks are still underway. Remember, earlier today we reported to you that the Taliban has escalated its attacks on Pakistan. 3 brazen strikes in the heart of Lahore, particularly systematically targeting with coordinated synchronized attacks, police installations. The attacks took place in 3 separate locations simultaneously, with several gunmen storming the headquarters of the Federal Investigative Agency to begin with, the elite police station in eastern Lahore later, and the Manawan police station in South Lahore. Remember, that was the scene for a similar audacious attack last year, and the Manawan police station was under siege for 8 hours in March 2008. Meanwhile, the death toll is rising even at this point. Unconfirmed reports say that more than 20 people have been killed.
कोई अपने लोगों की कैजुअल्टी नहीं हुई है। ये बहुत बड़ी फख्र की बात है हमारे लॉ एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसीज के लिए। थोड़ी देर के बाद जब हम इलाके का सर्च मुकम्मल कर लेंगे और मुकम्मल तौर पे तसल्ली कर लेंगे कि अंदर किसी किस्म का एक्सप्लोजिव या किसी किस्म के मजीद टेररिस्ट मौजूद नहीं है, तो फिर आपको हम तमाम तफसील से आगाह जब तक हम सर्च मुकम्मल नहीं कर लेते उस वक्त तक आपको थोड़ी देर में
And Pakistan's Interior Minister Rahman Malik has termed this attack by Taliban insurgents as a guerrilla warfare against Pakistan.
सबसे पहले आई से वेल डन रेंजर्स, वेल डन पुलिस। इतने कम अरसे में इतनी अच्छी रिस्पांस नहीं हो सकती थी। दे हैव किल्ड द टेररिस्ट, थिंग इज इन आवर कंट्रोल, इट्स बीइंग कॉम्ड नाउ। और इंशाल्लाह जो काम इस वक्त हमारी फोर्सेस जो कर रही हैं उनको प्लीज इनकरेज, किसी किस्म की ये बात नहीं कहनी चाहिए कि रोक नहीं पाए। उन्होंने दोनों को मारा है, उनको अंदर नहीं जाने दिया। इससे बड़ी मेरा ख्याल कामयाबी लॉ एनफोर्समेंट की नहीं हो सकती। दुश्मन हर तरफ से हमारे पे आ रहा है। नई एक उन्होंने हिकमत अमली अपनाई है, उसको काउंटर करने के लिए हमने पेट्रोलिंग भी इंक्रीज की है, सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस भी ज्यादा नंबर में इंक्रीज की हैं। तो मेरा ख्याल है कि ये जो रिस्पांस की है पुलिस ने और रेंजर्स ने, इससे बेहतर रिस्पांस नहीं हो सकती थी।
And here's a closer look at what happened. The attack began at 9:30 a.m. this morning when several terrorists stormed Pakistan's Federal Investigative Agency, killing several people and taking over 50 people hostage. Pakistani media claimed that at least 5 gunmen attacked the FIA. Reports also claim that 2 attackers were killed. Lahore police also managed to evacuate a school in the area. In the second synchronized attack, another group of terrorists struck a police training center at Bedian Road, about 6 kilometers from the airport. Witnesses said that the terrorists lobbed several grenades and then opened fire before entering the center. At least 3 people were killed and 4 injured in this attack. Pakistani authorities also claim that 2 terrorists were killed and the encounter still rages on. In the third attack, the Manawan police center, which has also been under siege in the past, remember in March 30th, 2008, Pakistani Taliban undertook an audacious attack on the training center, and this time around too the Manawan center was attacked, and authorities claim that in the latest attack at least 3 people were killed and 5 others injured. Dozens of ambulances were rushed to the site to take the dead and injured to nearby hospitals. The exact number of terrorists involved in this attack at this time has not yet been ascertained. And the Pakistani Taliban has once again claimed responsibility for the series of coordinated attacks on Pakistan's police installations today. This even as Hakimullah Masood, the Tehreek-e-Taliban chief, was widely believed to be behind the attacks. The Pakistani Taliban was also behind similar such attacks last week on the Pakistani Army headquarters in Rawalpindi. Remember, Hakimullah Masood has vowed to avenge the death of his predecessor, Baitullah Masood, who was killed in a US drone attack last year. Earlier this month, Hakimullah had threatened attacks against the US and Pakistani establishments.